Mark Twain, renowned for his wit and wisdom, imparted numerous life lessons through his writings and experiences. Here are some of the key lessons we can learn from his life. Number 1. Embrace humor. Twain believed in the power of humor to lighten life's burdens and foster understanding between people. He often used satire and wit to address serious issues, showing that laughter can be a force for good. Number 2. Question authority. Throughout his life, Twain challenged authority and conventional thinking. He encouraged critical thinking and skepticism, urging individuals to question the status quo and form their own opinions. Number 3. Seek adventure. Twain was a lover of adventure and exploration. He believed in the importance of stepping outside one's comfort zone, whether through travel, new experiences, or intellectual curiosity. Number 4. Value education. Despite his lack of formal schooling, Twain valued education and lifelong learning. He believed in the power of self-education and encouraged others to never stop seeking knowledge. Number 5. Empathy and compassion. Twain had a deep sense of empathy for others, which is evident in his writing. He advocated for kindness, understanding, and compassion towards all people, regardless of their background or circumstances. Number 6. Embrace diversity. Twain was ahead of his time in advocating for racial and cultural diversity. He spoke out against racism and inequality, promoting the idea that all individuals deserve respect and equal treatment. Number 7. Perseverance. Twain faced numerous setbacks and failures throughout his life, including financial difficulties and personal tragedies. However, he demonstrated resilience and perseverance, never giving up on his goals and dreams. Number 8. Honesty and integrity. Twain believed in the importance of honesty and integrity in both personal and professional life. He valued truthfulness and authenticity, and often spoke out against hypocrisy and dishonesty. Number 9. Live authentically. Twain encouraged individuals to live authentically, true to themselves and their beliefs. He believed in the importance of being genuine and unapologetic about one's identity and values. Number 10. Legacy and impact. Twain's life teaches us that our actions and words have the power to shape the world around us. He left behind a lasting legacy through his writing and advocacy, reminding us of the impact we can have on future generations.